Welcome to Strong Plumbing and Heating. We are the 24-hour plumber at your service. You're thinking to yourself, why choose us? A few reasons are: we're fast, effective, we're fully insured, fully accredited, and in most cases we're at your property within 1 hour. You're covered by some of the best plumbers in the business. We've been specialising in 24-hour plumbing since 2014 and covering all aspects of general plumbing since 2004. If you need a pro, you've come to the right place. We specialise in toilets, immersions, block sewers, block sinks. We cover it all. If you need us on a Sunday or you need us in the evening, we got you covered. We are local, we're trusted. All you have to do is check out our Google reviews and you can see for yourself we come highly recommended. So thank you for watching.